Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are presenting a question that was done in KCSE 2012 paper 2 question number 11. And the question we have reads, the base and height of a right angle triangle were measured as 6.4 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters respectively. Calculate the maximum absolute error in the area of the triangle. 3 marks. We are going to start by getting the maximum and minimum values of the measurements. Remember, when the measurements are stated correct to 1 decimal place, then the least unit of count or the least error committed there is 0.1. But the error that is going to affect those measurements is absolute error, which is usually half of the least error. And half of 0.1 will give us 0.05. From there now we can be able to look at the base. Remember, we have 6.4 as the base, so we need the maximum value. And to get the maximum value of the base, we take 6.4, we add 0.05, and this one is going to give us 6.45. Then the minimum value of the base is going to be 6.4 minus 0.05, which gives us 6.35. Once we have that, we again go to the height of 3.5. We get the maximum. The maximum is going to be 3.5 plus 0.05, which gives us 3.55. And the minimum value would be 3.5 minus 0.05, giving us a value that is 3.45. Once we have the maximum base, minimum base, maximum height, and minimum height, we can now start by looking at or calculating the maximum area. Remember, area of a right angle triangle is given by half base times height. So the maximum area would be obtained by using half times the maximum base, which is 6.45, times maximum height, which is 3.55, and this one is going to give us 11.44875. This is centimeter square. Then we calculate the minimum area. Minimum area would be half. We use the minimum base of 6.35 times the minimum height of 3.45, and this one is going to give us 10.95375 centimeter square. After getting the maximum area and minimum, we now get the actual area will be obtained by using the actual measurements, that is 6.4 and 3.5, and this one is going to give us exactly 11.2 centimeters square. After that we know that to get the absolute error in area, we are simply going to get the average of the maximum area, which is 11.4485, minus the minimum, which is 10.95375. This is going to be half of 0.95375. 495, and this one is going to give us the error equivalent to 0.2475, and that is what the question wants us to calculate. But in case you are required to calculate the percentage error, you can now get the percentage error by taking the absolute error over the actual area of 11.2. You multiply by 100, and you'll be able to get that percentage error. That is in case the question was on percentage error. But for the maximum possible error, the maximum absolute error in the area, we have the answer as 0.2475. Thank you for watching, and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome. For any personal arrangements, feel free to contact us through 0701 686 283.